In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all direct messages in Slack. If you've ever wondered where to view every conversation you've had in Slack without hunting through the sidebar, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll start from a web browser, but the experience is nearly identical in the desktop app, so follow along with whatever you prefer. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open it. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, proceed as you normally would, and you'll arrive at the main Slack interface. Once Slack is open, shift your focus to the left side panel. This is the sidebar where you see channels, apps, and your direct messages. Look for the section labeled Direct Messages. If your sidebar is condensed, you may need to hover your mouse over that area to reveal more controls. Now, hover over the Direct Messages label itself. You should see a small icon with 3 dots appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open the Direct Messages options menu. This menu is your gateway to organizing and reviewing your one-on-one and group conversations in one place. In the menu that opens, click Manage. This takes you to a dedicated management view for direct messages. Think of it as your control center for conversations. It groups and lists your DMs in a way that's easier to scan than scrolling through the sidebar. Within this management view, choose Recent Direct Messages. This will display a consolidated list of your recent DMs, bringing together people and group conversations you've interacted with lately. You can scroll through this list to quickly spot the thread you want, without expanding and collapsing sections in the sidebar. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the 3 dots, hover directly over the Direct Messages heading. On some themes or zoom levels, the icon only appears on hover. The Recent Direct Messages view focuses on what you've interacted with recently, so it's perfect for catching up or reopening an active thread. If your workspace has many conversations, give the list a moment to load fully before navigating away. That's all there is to it. Open Slack from Google, go to the Direct Messages section in the left panel, click the 3-dot menu, choose Manage, and then select Recent Direct Messages to see everything in one organized place. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.